Hey, what's up, guys? I want to ask you some question, guys. Do you think it's too late to start YouTube in 2020? If you say yes, that's not true, guys. Today, I show top 3 niche with a high volume search, guys, and less competition. You can start your YouTube journey now. Watch till end, find more, guys. Okay guys, so what do you expect from this video? This video is all about I show you top 3 niche, guys, with a high search volume, less competition, guys, and it's available worldwide, guys. YouTube is available worldwide, guys, and it's YouTube channel niche video, guys. Okay guys, let's dive into this video. Okay guys, the first channel idea we're gonna see is probability comparison. This is the most searched, guys. It's now trending in YouTube, guys, but it's less competition. It is the opportunity you start in 2020, guys. This is the channel I found you for this, guys. To see, guys, this is I show the channel later. Watch till end, guys. And this is the probability comparison, guys. Just a video, guys, just how death rate comparison and death probability comparison, just like simple video, guys, and making 1 week ago 4.3 million views, guys. I think you probably make a 10 grand with these videos, guys. Easily you can make $2 CPM. You can make lots of money with this, guys. Just less competition and high search volume, guys. I found you for this channel idea. You can make lots of money with this, guys. I found you for channel for you, guys. It's just started and making killing with this, guys. You see, guys, just 6 videos, guys. Just 6 videos and get lots of views, guys. Just go to home page. Just I show you stats, guys, how much views these channels get every day, guys. Just as I told you earlier, 6 views, 6.7 million views, guys. This is probability comparisons going to killing in a 2020, guys. Just to be in front of this opportunity, guys. Just to go and start your channel in 2020 to make a lots of money with this, guys. I showed up 2 opportunity later. Was still in this, guys. The first one is probability comparison. It's most profitable niche, guys, in YouTube. Is just now trending. Just to go and grab your orange juice or make some video and get paid, guys. It's lots easier. 6 video. Just I show how much views this channel gets every day, guys. Just to click social media stats. Okay guys, this is the channel. This channel get almost 38,000, guys, per day. 31, 43, it depends on. Click view more, guys. It's automatically take you to the socialblade.com. This channel totally get 6.7 million views, guys, and the average daily views are about is 42,000, guys. It's good amount, guys. 42,000 average views, guys. You can just easily create a 2 minutes or 5 minutes videos, guys. 10 minutes video you can put more ads, guys. I just recommend that don't create a 2 minutes 3 minutes video, guys. Just create 10 minutes video long. You can put multiple ads, guys. I show the calculator comparison, guys. Just put 40,000 here, guys, just to see, guys, how you can make lots of money with this, guys. Just he make $80, guys. $80 to $160, guys. It's easy, guys. Just a compilation, just 1 hour of work, we can make $100, guys, per day. Just one idea, guys. I show another 2. We can combine 3, guys, and make tons of money with this, guys. YouTube in 2020 making a financial rich year for you, guys. Just hit the subscribe button for more update, guys. And this is the channel first idea, guys. Just probability comparison. It's very less competition, guys. You let's dive into this and make profit as much as you can, guys. Just the first is probability comparison, guys. Next we gonna see is TikTok compilation, guys. You probably heard of TikTok is more competitive, but I show this easy, guys. TikTok cringe compilation, guys. It's high search volume and less competition, guys. Do you see, guys? 7 months ago 580k, 5 months ago 1.5, guys. Just a TikTok cringe can make, guys. Just a compilation. I recommend TikTok cringe also, guys, because some TikTok videos has music just copyrighted. TikTok cringe is not like that, guys, because TikTok cringe is just a soundless video, like, and you can get lots of views, guys. Just to see, guys, cringe talk 9.52k subscribers, guys, getting nearly 1 million views, guys. This is the channel I found you for you guys. Cringe Tick. This guy's killing with this guys. 14 video, almost 5 million views guys. Just 9.52 subscribers guys. This is the average daily views guys. Click on more. Let's see how this guy's killing with this opportunity on 2020 guys. Show you this is the 2020 cringe TikTok guys. It's easy cringe TikTok compilation 2020. Can make killing with this guys. This is the second opportunity I show you for to the video guys. Sorry. This guy's average getting 26 guys. I'm not showing just a top of the line channel guys in this niche. I show the below starting guys. It's just a below, you just starting, you can get this, you can improve, you can more upload more video, you can get paid lots of money guys. Just I show you the smallest channel guys. I don't like every YouTuber guys show the top YouTuber and getting paid lots of money. I show little YouTuber, you can make as a little YouTuber and grow more guys. Just like can start little YouTuber. Let's see how little YouTuber makes lots of money guys. This guy is getting around 27,000 guys. Just put 27,000. Let's see guys. I set the all CPM $2 to $4 guys. This because it's the average CPM for every niche. You can go financial niche, it's lots higher than this one, but financial niche is little bit tough guys. You need a inspiration like this. Just I show the 2020 is you can get lots of views guys. This financial niche is not like that guys. You can get little less guys compared to this. And this is guys, just click enter, you can earn $80 $54 guys per day, up to $108 guys. It's easy guys. Just compiling TikTok cringe video to make just a 1 hour of work guys. You can make lots of money with this guys. Don't be afraid. It's easy money you can make in this YouTube guys. It's easy, you can make lots of money with this in 2020. Just the first I show probability comparison, and second TikTok cringe. I show the third one was for wait for that guys. And this is the cringe TikTok niche guys. Sorry, TikTok cringe niche guys. Just to go TikTok cringe compilation, you can see lots of video with less competition and lots of views guys. Just to dive into this niche and get paid lots of money guys. Just to put some creativity guys, make thumbnails good and put some creativity ads, like little bit some editing. It's not like editing complication guys. Just to compile this video and put it on YouTube guys, just like. And if you want, put some little ad comparison transaction between like this guys. Just I show the third one guys. Wait for a second. Okay guys, the third YouTube channel idea we're gonna say is like a kind of weird guys, but it has huge potential guys. Huge potential. It take little bit of work for you guys, but it has huge potential guys. As I told you earlier, that is anime niche guys. If you don't like anime guys, click the link below to watch another video to get rid of YouTube and to make money with other website guys. But anime is huge potential guys. Anime has all over world fans guys. It's lots of huge potential guys. I show little trick. You can make anime without copyright guys. Any copyright guys. It's the top 10 anime guys. This is a very let's competition and get huge potential guys. Huge potential guys. It's never been going down. It's always been trending guys. Just as the top 10 anime guys. You can see guys getting lots of views guys. 1.1 million in 1 week guys. I don't tell you guys, it's huge potential guys. Dive into this anime niche and you can get paid lots of guys. I show you guys little video. This video guys, we see guys 1 day 181k views guys. Just to 12.2k subscribers guys. Just one video. This guy's killing with this guys. I show the little channel for you guys. I find you for it. This channel is killing with this guys. Top 10 animes guys. Just a 49 videos, 12.1 millions guys. He just killing with this niche guys. I show the stats, how much views get daily guys. Just to click. I showed all three guys. It's not getting subscribers like a PewDiePie 100 million or stuff like that. It's not getting subscribers as much as you think, but it gets lots of views guys or any other niche. these three idea I show you guys. It gets lots of views, but it's not lots of subscribers guys. Mind that guys. It's get lots of views but not lots of subscribers guys. Just to see guys, it's average 93,000 guys. It's just average guys. One day he get lots, one day he get less guys. It's 94,000 guys average. Let's go to estimated calculator and put 94,000. How much he can make guys? Just to put 94,000 guys. 94,000. Just wait for a second guys. Let's see how much he can make per day guys. It's a per day guys, $188 guys and $376 guys. It's lots of money guys. And I show you guys little trick. You can put lots of videos, lots of music in this guys. You can get any money from this guys. Just to go to Google and search top 10 animes guys, anime series. Just to search guys, it will come results. Wait for a second guys. Yes, results are coming guys. Just to click Cowboy Bebop. Just to search about this and find some video without any music guys. You add your own music with little bit of working guys. As I told earlier, you need little bit of working to make this happen guys. Just don't put copyrighted video, because all your hard earned money goes to your copyrighted owners guys. Just to put a copyrighted, these videos are not copyrighted at all guys. Just use a fair use policy, you can get paid guys. It's easy. Just don't be use copyrighted music guys. I told guys, don't be use copyrighted music. Just be use your own music guys. As a creation it need little bit of work for you guys. But first show you two niche. It's not like this ones guys. Just to put a compilation and get paid guys. These three huge potential guys. Anime is a huge potential as I told earlier, but the probability and the TikTok crunch is less potential, and you can make money too guys. This is a 3 channels guys I found you for you, or 3 niche in you can start YouTube channel in 2020 guys, and make a 2020 in financial freedom for you guys. And also don't go without subscribe guys. Like, share and comment below guys. I hope you this video helps a lot. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.